Hello friends, my name is Varali. I am an intern student at Aviskar Tech Solution. As part of data science, I have made a project, credit card fraud detection project. So as we know, credit card fraud is increased considerably with the development of modern technology. The objective of this project is to build a classifier that can detect credit card fraudulent transaction. In this project, I have used variety of machine learning algorithms. Let's see the project. First, I have imported the libraries. Then I have loaded the data. This is our data. Then I have checked the shape, is there any null value, and information about the data. Then I have split the data into X and Y. Then for the visualization, I have imported the library pip install plotly. For the statistic data visualization, these libraries I have imported time density plot. So this is credit card transaction time density plot. Then credit card transaction time density plot. So orange line shows us the fraud, or blue line shows us the not fraud with respect to the time. So transaction amount box plot. This is the transaction amount box plot. There is very less outliers as we can see. The transaction amount box plot is class versus amount. Then I have did the I have come up with the output of the standard deviation mean percentile of the class 0 means is class 0 indicates the fraud or class 1 indicates the not fraud. So this is the not fraud. Then correlation plot. The correlation plot, we got the conclusion that there is no notable correlation between the V1 and V8, but there are certain correlation between some of these features and times and the amount. So amount of fraudulent transaction scatter plot. So this is a scatter plot for the amount of fraudulent transactions. Then I have built a model logistic regression. I have split the data into train and test. Then this is the predicted value. This is the accuracy score, F1 score, precision score and recall score of logistic regression. This is the confusion matrix of logistic regression, not fraud, fraud and this predicted class. Then I have built a random forest model. This is the accuracy score, F1 score, precision score and recall score of the random forest and also confusion matrix of random forest. Then I have built a decision tree. In the decision tree also accuracy score, F1 score, precision score and recall score. Also the confusion matrix of decision tree. So after that I will come up with the conclusion that for prediction I have used 3 models. In between 3 models, the random forest algorithm have high accuracy score, also F1 score and precision score, recall score also. So therefore the random forest algorithm best suits to the given datasets. Thank you.